Samba Mysore and Swarna rice varieties were favorites among farmers, especially in the southern part of India. But having geographical coastline feature, it inevitably attracts heavy rainfall and cyclone. In such a precarious situation, the farmers incur heavy losses.
Our paddy crops used to get destroyed each year, and we all were bound to live our lives in miseries. Every year, cultivating rice is our primary focus. Varieties like Samba Mysore, Swarna, etc. were chiefly grown. But the problem was that we used to face many natural calamities, like Hudhud cyclone, that was devastating and destroyed all our standing crops. That loss was a great setback to us. Since then, we have never looked back, and switching to ISM was a complete change of lives for all our farmers.
So in order to acknowledge this critical issue, to Apex Indian Science Institutes, CSIR Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology and ICAR's Institute of Rice Research, both located in Hyderabad, came forward and initiated a collaborative breeding program to develop a new variety that would be resistant to bacteria and yet retain the high yield and demand features of the predecessor rice varieties.
Samba Mysore is a very popular rice variety developed by scientists at the Acharya N.G. Ranga Agricultural University in Hyderabad. This was done way back in the 1980s. This variety has retained popularity over 3 decades with farmers and consumers alike because it has exceptional quality and yield characteristics. Because of these exceptional qualities that the variety possesses, both farmers want to grow it and consumers are interested in eating it. The difficulty with Samba Mysore is that it is susceptible to many pests and diseases, including a very serious pest of rice called bacterial blight. The difficulty with bacterial blight is that there are no chemical methods for controlling this disease if it occurs in the rice field. The only way of managing the disease is to develop a disease-resistant rice variety. For this purpose, we set out, that is, scientists at the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology and the Indian Institute of Rice Research, we set out to do a collaborative project that started around 1999 and 2000. The idea was to develop an improved variety of Samba Mysore that retains the yield and quality characteristics of Samba Mysore and is resistant to bacterial blight.
Both of the institutes initiated the laboratory trials in early 90s, where CCMB worked upon the molecular analysis aspect and IIRR on plant breeding to develop a new variety from the previous available rice variety. And their dedication and long hard work yielded positive results. And thus a new and superior variety called Improved Samba Mysore was developed and was consequently approved for commercial cultivation by the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India in 2008. Come and be a part of this thrilling and exciting journey as how science has changed millions of lives.